In this video, we will review the locations of the serial tags on a Winston 8000 series Collectramatic fryer. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver to access all of the serial tag locations. The first serial sticker is located in the bottom left-hand corner of the fryer's front panel. This sticker lists the model and serial number assigned to the fryer. This sticker also provides additional information such as the fryer's voltage, the amp rating, and the pressure rating on low and high pressure fryers. A second, identical serial sticker is located on the interior of the fryer. To access this serial tag, remove the right-hand panel on the back of the fryer. Once the panel has been removed, the sticker should be visible on the right side panel of the interior. An additional serial number is engraved on the rim of the fryer's pot.